Girls, 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 you're safe now, okay? He's not here, okay? Okay, okay, I know you're frightened, but you're safe now. You're inside. He's not gonna get you. It's okay, and I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You're okay and you're safe now. Okay, okay, okay. I know you're frightened, I know, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry you went through that. I'm sorry this happened to you. I'm sorry. You're safe now. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. I know you're frightened. Okay, girls, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.